A lofted shot by Paresh Bhatia. Some misunderstanding here happening between the batsmen. Anup wanted a second run. खूप जोरात मारलेला हा शॉट सरळ बॉलरच्या हातात आय थिंक अंगठ्याला लागलाय. हो. This over is turning out to be good for the bowling side so far. No boundary scored as of now. Is this the first one? No. The ball goes straight into the safe hands of Avinash Shetty and Anup departs. Avinash Shetty. Archit is the next batsman. Archit Deshmukh. Nice bowling. A very good and effective first over. At the end of first over, the athletes have scored 5 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. 5 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. Mr. Pokharkar will bowl the second over. Pokharkar, Yogesh Pokharkar.
समीर बॉलिंग साठी खूप उत्कंठावर्धक आहेत. बॉल कधी हातात येतो असं झालंय.
खूप सुंदर अशी फिल्डिंग आणि अपीलही केलेलं आहे. At the same time, good running between the wickets. Some words of motivation from Mr. Varun Vaidya. खूप सुंदर अशी बॉलिंग
आणि सुंदर असा कॅच.
चांगला शॉट मारला होता पण थोडा एलिव्हेशन कमी पडलंय त्याच्यात. आणि दॅट इज हाव मिस्टर परेश भाटिया डिपार्ट्स वॉकिंग बॅक टू द पवेलियन. हेमंत इज द नेक्स्ट बॅट्समॅन. लेट्स सी व्हॉट ही हॅज टू डू. Slowly trying to pace this innings. This is a very, very crucial match for both the teams. They don't want to take any chances is what I see right now. They've tried to accelerate but in that they've lost the wickets. 4 बॉल झालेले आहेत. केलं का अपडेट?
Nice catch taken by Varun.
This is what I was just saying. Whenever they are trying to accelerate, they are losing their wickets. This is a very, very important match. Nicely played by Aditya. At the end of 2 overs, Oak Alchemist have scored 10 runs. Oak Athletes, my apologies. Oak Athletes is the batting side right now. They've scored 10 runs. Avinash Shetty is the next bowler. Doing some warm-up. Archit will face him. Let's see how this over fares. I think they will just have to settle for a single here. It has been a very good side. Oh, wonderful bowling. Couldn't gauge the length of the ball. It was a wonderful leg spin coming straight onto the wickets. Some nice performance by the bowling side here so far. Sandy is a new batsman. A very nice delivery again. Looks like a very low scoring match. The runs right now is only 12 runs. And we are at the almost at the end of the third over. Trying to accelerate here. Archit this time gets good success. Goes for a 6. Wide given by Archit. 1 extra run. Nicely played down the leg side. Will comfortably get 2 runs. The score right now is 21 at the end of 3 overs. Again, to me, this looks like a very low scoring match unless the batting side has to show some miracles here of the last 12 balls. Jordan Day will bowl the next over.
परमेशला 1000 द्यायचे आहेत यांचे आणि रवीला विचारून देऊन टाकणार नंतर परत घाई होणार आपल्याला 1000 दिलेले आपण
He starts off with a wide.
900 रुपयाने तो देतो आपल्याला 1 मिनिट बोलून घेऊ ना चल पटकन नंतर मग घाई घाई होणार काय आलं
माइक बंद कर ना तिकडे आवाज जातो A second wide of this over. Again a third wide. A wonderfully played shot, but it goes straight in the hands of Avinash Shetty. Jordan strikes. Rohan is the next batsman here. They will really have to play some wonderful shots now on from here. Anup giving some words of wisdom to Rohan. Again a wide and a no. कम से कम 4 एक्स्ट्रास दिए जॉर्डन ने इस ओवर में, 1 विकेट भी लिया है. तीन का तो 4 के लिए 4 बॉल्स हुए, 2 to go. Again in the safe hands of Mr. Desley. Jordan strikes again. He's given 4 extras, but at the same time he's taken 2 important wickets for his side. So he's coming back in the game. The last ball of this over. The next. There was edge here and it's given. So this is the third wicket of this over. So the score right now is 26. They've already lost 7 wickets. This is the last wicket, I guess. Samir Gansota will bowl this over, the last over of this match. Wide ball. Consecutive wides by Mr. Samir. He will not have to try something different, just plain simple bowling he has to do. So that's the end of the innings. They've scored 28 runs. A very gettable total. I think the bowling side is very happy and they already seeing themselves as the second finalist of this tournament. We can see some smiling faces. It's a very low scoring match. We already have the finalist, the first finalist team defenders waiting for the trophy. The second finalist will be decided out of this match, and both these teams will battle it out for the coveted trophy. Mr. Desle and Mr. Varun Vaidya will open the innings for their side. I think it's a very simple math. They just need 5 runs per over to get into the finals. I'm not sure if Varun will play that kind of an innings. He is known to be an explosive batsman, and the same goes for Abhijit. Nicely played for 2 runs by Varun. तो बघ तिकडे गेलाय. जाशील का तो बघ तिकडे. तो बघ ते व्हाईट पेपरवर. 2 runs have been scored of the first ball. They need under 30 runs to get themselves into the finals. This is the second semi-final. It was a full toss, but very wisely and nicely played by Varun down the leg side. That brings Abhijit on strike. As I was mentioning, both these batsmen are very explosive batsmen. It's gone for 6. 4, sorry. This has been given as a no ball and played for a single, so 2 runs of that delivery. Good running between the wickets, good calling. Will have to settle for a single. White ball nicely left by Mr. Desle. That's a no ball, played nicely down the leg side. Again, we'll get 2 runs, 1 of the extra and 1 run which they've scored. Good hit by Varun. So at the end of first over, एक बॉल बाकी है, sorry. That was not required, but anyways, Abhijit departs. The total score is 14 right now. They just need another 15 runs.
Actually, it has become a trend that in the crucial matches, everyone drops Abhijit's catch, but looks like Anup was able to get hold of this one.
I'm not sure about the trend of the scores. Does it drop like this towards the important matches? Does it become low scoring matches?
No, that's because these teams have never faced each other in the tournament yet, and they are facing each other for the first time.
Very nicely played by Varun. The umpire has declared a 2 signal for 2 runs. 16. Change in the field. Especially for Varun, but
Shot!
he dances down the track and tosses it for the 6. Change in the field will not matter much to him. Wonderful wicket keeping by Rohan. Nicely collected. Full commitment is what we are seeing here right now.
5 runs required of 22 balls.
Sanchit needs no introduction here.
2 run. Oh.
तीन बॉल 3 रन. Again, this becomes just a formality now, right now, to finish this match. We have 2 overs left after this, 3 overs left after this. Varun dances down the track again, dismantles the wickets at the other end. Just 2 runs required of 19 balls. हमको ये देखना है कि वरुण whether he wants to finish this with a 6 or no.
It's a dot ball.
Over. Just 2 runs required. I think Sanchit should go for a 6. It becomes some kind of a practice for him for the finals. That is what he intends to do. That is what he wanted to do actually. To just finish off the innings. Comes out with a smile.
He has nothing else to offer right now apart from smile.
But he's already sealed his place in the finals.
So he is a legend. And that's a 2 run. That's
Pratik
how the
Mal-
way you do it. Pratik
Mal-
smiles, gives a look to Sanchit. And we are going to see a high voltage match which we had seen last year between A wing and D wing, but with some new faces and some players sitting in the pavilion this time rooting for their team.
Player of the match, I would just like to announce here, player of the match is Jordan for taking 3 wickets. Jordan, please.